In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust AutoCAD Cursor Pickbox. If you've ever struggled to select the right objects in AutoCAD, the size of your cursor pickbox could be the reason. The pickbox is the small square at the center of your crosshairs used to select objects. Making it larger can make selections faster and friendlier, especially on high-resolution displays, while a smaller box can help with precision work around dense geometry. Let's start with the visual method. In the command line, type Options and press Enter. This opens the Options dialog, where you manage many of AutoCAD's behavior settings. Navigate to the Selection tab. Here, you'll find a control labeled Pickbox Size. Drag the slider left or right to adjust how large the pickbox appears on your screen. As you move the slider, imagine how your workflow will feel. Larger for broad, quick selections, smaller for tight, precise picks. When you've found a comfortable size, click Apply or OK to confirm. This change takes effect immediately, and AutoCAD will remember it for future sessions, so you won't need to reset it every time. If you prefer a quicker, more direct approach, you can use the system variable for this setting. In the command line, type Pickbox and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a new value. Enter a number between 0 and 50. The default is 3, which is fairly small. Higher numbers make the box larger. Lower numbers make it smaller. After typing your chosen value, press Enter again to set it. This method is great when you already know the exact size you want, or when you're creating scripts and standards for your team. A few practical tips as you dial in the right size. If you work on a 4K or ultra-wide monitor, try a moderately larger value to compensate for the higher pixel density. If you're doing fine-grained drafting, like snapping to crowded endpoints or editing polylines, consider a smaller size for more control. Keep in mind that making the box too large can cause unintended selections, especially in busy drawings. If you ever feel like you've gone too far, returning to the default of 3 is a simple way to reset your baseline and adjust from there. That's all it takes. Whether you use the Options dialog under the Selection tab or the Pickbox command directly, fine-tuning the cursor pickbox can make your selection workflow smoother, faster, and more accurate. Try a few values, test them on your current project, and settle on the one that feels most natural for your work.